Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Fred. On today's episode, we're going to make a fruit salad with a cream cheese dressing. Say that 10 times fast. So what we're going to start with is I have the Pampered Chef pineapple cutter here. And what we're going to do is take our pineapple and we're going to cut the top off. Now, if I was doing a display or something, I could keep that for the tray, but we're not doing that today. So we'll just take that off. I've got a trash can right down here. Now, if you didn't have a trash can, what you could do is get you another bowl to put your trash in. Okay. Then we're going to cut this bottom part off. All right. So now what we have is we've got our pineapple, we've got the top and the bottom cut off. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our pineapple cutter, we're going to put it right in the center here of our pineapple, and we're going to give it a little back and forth action and get squirted in the eye with some pineapple juice. And then when you get down to the bottom, you use this little tray that it comes in. You put that down and squeeze it in there, and then all your pieces will come out, and you don't have to worry about the blade cutting your fingers. So we'll take these off, and then we'll get our pineapple, nice pineapple wedge there. Here's the core. We'll throw that away as well. And then we have our second pineapple wedge. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my chef's knife and I'm just going to cut through the pineapple into like this. And we're going to make some little wedge pieces. All right, we'll cut it through again. And then as you cut, you just take and put in your bowl that I've got set in here that we're going to make the fruit salad in. Okay, how many of you like fresh pineapple, but you was too afraid to cut it? A lot of people are intimidated about the pineapple, but with the pineapple cutter, it makes it real easy to cut up a pineapple. So we've got our pineapple here that we're cutting it up. All right, now let's do the next piece. There's a little bit of rind there, so we're going to cut that off. Get a little piece of the pineapple eye. Okay, now this is getting a little juicy, so I'm going to get a towel real quick. Get a paper towel so that I can kind of keep this cleaned up. I've got our flexible mat, and we just go through it like that. And then you can take your mat and just slide the pineapple in just like that. Anything for the trash over there, wipe it off. This is one of our flexible mats. They're really, really good to use. So let me show you what we have so far. We've got our pineapple cut up. That's a whole pineapple cut. Now, next we're going to do our strawberries. So let me lay some strawberries out here. Okay, is everybody having fun yet? Love making fruit salad. It's so fresh, and plus it's the beginning of the year when I'm making this, so everybody's got watching their waist on the mind. So because of that, fruit salad is going to be really, really delicious. So we've got our cup slicer here, so we're going to take and just do this to our strawberries. And then once you get your cup full, you put it back in the holder and it pops all the strawberries out into the bowl. They go, and see all the strawberries come out nice and cut. I'll show you. Give you a view here if you can see the strawberries are nice and cut into little pieces. So let's finish our strawberries. This is kid friendly. If you have kids and you want them to use the cup slicer, they surely can. And just like that, quick and easy, I've cut my strawberries. Alrighty, now we're going to give it a little wipe down. We like to keep things nice and clean as we go for easy cleanup at the end. If you clean as you go, you don't have such a big mess at the end to clean up. Next, we've got our grapes. So we'll lay some of our grapes out here. Got these beautiful red grapes. So we'll lay those out. That one looks a little icky, so we'll put him in the trash can. All right, so now we go with the grapes. And that quick and easy, we've got grapes cut up. Those go into the pot. Let me get another napkin. We're going to take and wipe up. All right, next we've got apple. So I'm going to show you how to cut the apple with the knife. The apple is a little bit too hard of a fruit to use the cup slicer, so we're just going to go with our knife skills. And what we're going to do is we take the apple and we're going to cut right down by the core. And we've got a slice, and you can see we cut it that way. Now we're going to lay this piece flat, and we're going to cut beside the core again. Flip it over. And lastly, we've got it, and then we've got our core. It can go in the trash, and then we've got our apple. So what we're going to do is take and just cut this into some slices. Into the mix they go. Now with this, like I told you, we're going to make a cream cheese sauce to go over it. I'm going to show you how to do that after I get these apple cut. And we've got one more to slice up. Okay, and then we just give that a 1-2 and slice that up. Now we've got in our bowl here, we've got apples, we've got strawberries, we've got grapes, we've got pineapple. Nice fruit salad starting to make here. Okay, now next, I'm going to put these to the side. And next, we're going to take our blender. And let me walk over here and plug it up. Alrighty. And then let me come back over here. Get the blender into the pitcher here. Make sure the bottom is on good, which it's not. So I'm glad I looked. We've got to put it together. So any blender that you have will work for this. Gonna put this on here like that. There we go. That's what I want. And then next, we're going to take our cream cheese. We're going to open our cream cheese up. So how's everybody doing? Hope you're doing well. You've got something planned during this video here. We're a couple of days away from the first of the year, which will be 2024. We're in 2023 right now, and we will be in 24 in a couple of days. So we are making this. We'll take a block of cream cheese. Into the blender it goes. And then what we're going to do is we have a little pineapple juice. You can buy these in the little containers. This one is it's going to tell you how many ounces it is. 6 ounces. So we're going to pop the top here. That's going to go into the mix. And then we're going to put our lid on. Okay, then we're going to give it a little mix. Alrighty, now this lid on this particular unit is very tough to get off. There we go. Take our spatula here and see if we can get that pushed down in there. Now I'm just going to set this up on here. It's not going to... There we go. Okay, now we've got that mixed up. We'll put that to the side. That is our sauce that we've made. Now we're going to take and just pour this over our fruit. Get it all out of there. And then we're just going to give it a nice mix. We've got these nice mixing bowls. You can buy them individually or you can buy them in a 3-piece set. They are real good. They've got rubber on the bottom of it, so you can see my bowl is not moving. So as I'm stirring the fruit, I don't have to worry about the bowl moving on me. So we've got our fruit salad here. Now, let me get a little bowl. This is live, so you get to see all of my mess and all my cutting away from the camera and everything. So excuse me for doing that, but that's how it is when you go live. All right, so here's our fruit salad. Doesn't that look delish? Let's take a little bite. That is absolutely delicious. Let that sit in the refrigerator and get cold. Woo, buddy, we got some good fruit salad here. So this is going to be delish. It is delish. So I want to encourage you to make a fruit salad the first of the year. If you're watching your calories and want something besides a candy bar, how about some fruit salad? That would be good to have. So this is Chef Fred coming to you with the fruit salad. I bid you good cooking and bon appetit. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.